Google is gearing up for its next major smartphone launch, which is taking place in about a week from now. And they are already given us a sneak peek of the Pixel 9 Pro in a short video, leaving nothing to imagination in the design department. Yesterday, a popular leaker on Leaks has shared extensive marketing material for the Pixel 9 series ahead of the official reveal, showcasing the features likely to be highlighted on stage on August 13th. The leak slide have advertising features like circle to search, which has first seen with the Galaxy S24 series. These features allow users to exclusively execute a quick Google search for information by circling the content on their screen. Additionally, the Pixel 9 series will support a Gemini assistant on anything the circle is pointed at. Furthermore, the images also suggest that the Pixel 9 series will be introducing a Pixel screenshot feature currently exclusive to Google devices. This tool will also help users to remember important information from their screenshot, such as event and places. This innovative feature is designed to enhance the productivity and ensure that user can easily access and organize critical information captured on their device. The marketing material also highlight additional features like crisis alert and enhanced security measures. These improvements underscore Google's commitment to user safety and data protection, providing peace of mind to Pixel 9 users. The inclusion of advanced security feature is particularly relevant in today's digital landscape where data breaches and privacy concerns are increasingly prevalent. One of the important features is going to be AI because as we know AI plays a significant role in the Pixel 9 series. With the leaked material confirming the access to Gemini Advanced, a buyer will also receive 1 year of free access to Gemini Advanced, a service that typically costs $227. This integration of advanced AI services aim to enhance the user experience by offering intelligent insight and personalized assistant. In terms of the specification, all the four models in the Pixel 9 series will be powered by the Tensor G4 processor, a state-of-the-art processor designed to deliver optimal performance and efficiency. The RAM configuration vary across models, with the regular Pixel 9 offering up to 12 GB of RAM, while the Pixel 9 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro XL alongside with the Pixel 9 Fold boost an impressive 16 GB of RAM. These specifications ensure smooth multitasking and responsiveness, catering to the need of the power user and tech enthusiast. Furthermore, the camera capabilities of the Pixel 9 series are another major highlights. Both the Pro models will be featuring a 42 megapixel selfie camera, while the vanilla Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be retaining a 10 megapixel unit. At the back, the main camera setup of both the Pro models include a 50 megapixel primary sensor and a 48 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 48 megapixel telephoto lens. This refined camera system promises exceptional photo quality and versatility, making the Pixel 9 series our top choice for photographic enthusiasts. Moving on the display, specifications of the Pixel 9 series are equally impressive. The Pro and the XL models will be featuring a 6.3 and a 6.8 inch super actual display respectively, while the vanilla Pixel 9 will come with a 6.3 inch screen. These displays are designed to offer vibrant colors and excellent visibility even in a bright sunlight. The actual display of the regular Pixel 9 is expected to offer up to 1000 nits of peak brightness, while the Pro models are expected to reach up to 2000 nits, ensuring an optimal viewing experience. Additionally, Google has promised 7 years of security updates and pixel drops for the Pixel 9 series. This long-term support ensures that users will continue to receive the latest features and security enhancement, making the Pixel 9 series a reliable investment. The Pixel 9 Pro will come in 4 color options. The Pixel 9 series is expected to be launching on August 13, and it's going to be coming with some impressive hardware and some design changes, and the new Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is going to be the top of the line device which could compete against the likes of iPhone and Samsung latest devices. Anyhow guys, I'm super excited about the upcoming Pixel 9 series. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.